New video tonight of a massive fire in a Maryland home. A family of 6, including a 3-week-old baby, had to be rescued Friday. A quick-thinking officer patrolling the area was the first to notice the flames and alerted everyone inside. No one was hurt. Investigators say the fire was sparked by a barbecue grill. The fire caused $65,000 in damage.
Well, I don't think anyone around here was going to be having a barbecue grill out over the next few days.
I don't think so. And then the snow is going to take a while to melt as well. So don't make any barbecue plans just yet. But we have a major storm on the way. And one of the differences between this storm and, say, the one that we just got on Friday, the ground temperatures are going to be so much colder heading into this storm. Think of the cold air we've had over the weekend. The ground is going to be primed to start accumulating that snowfall as soon as it comes in late tomorrow night. A lot of times in March, it's challenging to accumulate snow, especially during the daylight hours, unless that's overcome by incredible snowfall rates. And that's what we're going to get during the day on Tuesday, along with those cold ground temperatures helping that cause. Temperature right now, 25. That wind northwest around 9 miles per hour. The high on the day only getting up to 29 after a morning low of 19, down to 12 right now at Monticello. Let's head right into a futurecast and track your storm for you here. By 7 o'clock in the morning, you have temperatures in the low 20s. Clear skies out there. A lot of teens in the suburbs, even some single numbers well north and west. We get up into the lower and middle 30s during the day tomorrow, maybe some high clouds increasing late. The clouds tend to lower and thicken as we head into tomorrow night. By midnight, there could be some snowflakes arriving over extreme western parts of New Jersey, maybe by Trenton, maybe by southern parts of Hunterdon County, Mercer County. I still like 3 a.m. for a start time for first flakes in and around New York City. Watch how quickly, though, the heavy snow kind of overspreads the region by 7 o'clock Tuesday morning. So we are right in the thick of things by dawn on Tuesday. And you can see during the day, we get these heavy bands of snow. It could be coming down at the rate of 1 to 3 inches per hour, mainly from the city and points north and west. Now, south and east of the city, there can be some mixing. It could even change over to rain for a time during the height of the storm, South Fork of Long Island, down over parts of the Jersey Shore as well, or at least just get very wet snow that has a harder time accumulating. And then everything starts winding down into Tuesday evening, but we still have flakes flying in the air through about 9 or 10 p.m. So when it's all said and done, again, a foot or more of snow, including the 5 boroughs of New York City, out onto western Long Island, southwestern parts of Connecticut, and points north and west, including much of northern New Jersey. This even extends down into western parts of Monmouth County. Now, with the mixing issues over eastern Long Island and parts of the Jersey Shore, that will hold down accumulations a little bit, about 6 to 12 inches. That's very wet, heavy snow, and maybe a complete change over to rain for a while over parts of Ocean County, limiting accumulations to 3 to 6 inches there. Best shot for 20 inches or more potentially would be higher elevations of northern New Jersey into parts of the lower and mid-Hudson Valley. Check out the wind gusts during the day on Tuesday. 7 o'clock in the morning, we're already cooking down here along the Jersey Shore. 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts and 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts, I think, will be common by late morning on Tuesday. These are blizzard conditions going on during late morning into the early part of the afternoon. Look at that, a 64 mile per hour gust by 1 p.m. Tuesday over eastern parts of Long Island. This will lead to power outages, especially where you get that really wet, heavy snow along coastal areas. That, in addition to the wind, could cause moderate power outages, moderate frequency power outages, even major power outage frequency over northwestern parts of Suffolk County on Long Island. AccuWeather forecast overnight, quite cold under a mostly clear sky, 21 teens in the suburbs, mainly clear and chilly at 7 o'clock in the morning, 22. It's cold with sunshine giving way to clouds tomorrow. The high getting up to about 35 for tomorrow night. That snow arriving late. Again, I like 3 a.m. for a start time for first flakes in and around New York City, a little bit earlier south and west. The brunt of the storm is here during the day on Tuesday, especially morning into the early part of the afternoon. Whiteout conditions are likely. Maybe a couple of snow showers even left over into Wednesday. The blowing snow will hinder cleanup efforts, I think, during the day Wednesday. 31 bright but brisk on Thursday, or 36 Friday. Could be another system Saturday. That looks a lot weaker. Looks like it'll be a mix changing over to rain. Whew.
Yeah,
a lot to talk about.
We won't need a lot of snow.
Yes, no.
Thank you, Jeff.
Big deep breath. Laura Behnke up next with sports.
All right, both the Knicks and the Nets are not going very far this season, but that doesn't mean a meeting between the two has no meaning. New York City basketball bragging rights. They were on the line tonight, as well as a chance for Brooklyn to snap one nasty skid. And the Rangers on the road without the King, which proved to be no problem tonight in Detroit. We've got the hoops and your hockey highlights next in Gold.
Next live,
Be our guest.
Stanley Tucci from Beauty and the Beast.
This is a magical ballroom and discotheque.
Plus, co-host Michael Weatherly.
Watch live tomorrow morning at 9 on ABC 7.
You could be this guy, able to carry everything in one trip because he uses his feet to open the hands-free sliding door and liftgate on his all-new Chrysler Pacifica. Or you could be the guy whose team had to forfeit because he was late bringing the equipment. Get your all-new Chrysler Pacifica at the spring clearance event. Well-qualified current lessees of competitive vehicles get an ultra-low mileage lease on the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica for $249 a month.
I moved upstate because I was interested in building a career